morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you. Today I come with one story. This man start, so you just come my table now. So next thing I come talk about am. Now for this men wey be say the marriage don tire them. They no go marriage no let them go, come no let them come, go no go let them go. They go dey there. Even though okay, see this woman now wey be say this one na happen for Lagos there. Lagos State there. For Ikorodu there. If with the man dey quarrel, they can't separate them. E no still reach the man o. The man come call, as they don separate them, the man come go meet the woman for the way this story take happen. So now they talk the way the matter take happen. They don separate them, so they don dey for separate way for Nigeria. The man now come see carry a body go meet the woman. Tell the woman say make e things when he buy for am, make bring am, both he clothes, everything, make give am. The woman come carry, he come that the woman has to come so go the demand for all those things. So me see and say if Sunday don dey push man, we won't die, go dey find him want to die, something go dey push am. The woman come pack the clothes, give am. Make when he buy for, he come carry am comot. The man come back again say he won't carry the children clothes. Tell me what he want the children. They go dey drag children. Me say they go fit train the children. They drag children and they pay me pass. All this men when they drag children. Nobody know fit train them. Oh, no they drag her. He can't come back now. Me bring. Tell me what he want use the children clothes do now. Now the man come tell and say he want if they go school to if the children they go school tomorrow. Because this is now yesterday and the thing happen yesterday. Saying they go school tomorrow. The children they go school tomorrow. The man not here. The man called the woman called the beggar and say me leave the children close, say they bring and take go school tomorrow. As the woman they beg and so the man take Russian. And the woman he did the business so where for they do market for they pay already say. And the knife na dey for the woman hand. As the man they beat and beat and the woman say no I take PS I take better the man lie down for the knife or the woman pierce the knife for the man belle o. We no come know. The man I don die now. Wetin dey look, wetin dey find, wetin the trouble wey dey cause now. They don put the death wey dey portion her before. You come put the death now for this poor woman body now. 3 children now when they born, no one come trade them now. When they drag, the 3 children now. When this woman come born, no one come take care of them. This woman go prison because of this man. If you leave people don't they portion and since we portion. You don't still get die put because this woman hand I won't call die put. Come here not to get person 12 now will separate thing. You will see you fair come with the first time you won't pack the woman clothes when you buy for her. You pack and come out. Both shoe, both chain when you buy for her, you pack her. You come by seeing her children clothes, you won't come pack. Death they portion the man. Because this innocent woman and I won't come pull it body, then won't come pull the death on the top of your head. Children when they're born and no one come don't children now. Mama go dey prison, papa don't one come they trade them. No, the person when they won't carry children give now. I want they treat them. We say better orphanage dey for the Nigeria now. Better for them when they take care of Nigeria. They go kind of go one family my member. Children go dirty, no they bath them. They go dead there. Kata go they run for their nose. The man I don't die true. Now the woman now maybe now they kind of go prison because they keep person. You know what the man not there to talk now say na he fall for the knife. And Nigeria they never get good hospital. You even keep person with knife, pierce her belly before you carry hospital. They will say you fair bring money fair before they go even treat her. How you no go die? Deposit, write this one, write that one, do this one. The man for never still die because they say na kitchen knife the woman hold for hand. The man for not die now. They will better you say sign here before they go sign go bring 200 300,000. The woman don't die with that. The man don't die. I say now what happen be that one. Una wey be me I beg una. If woman don't tell una go rest. And they don't separate una that woman una say una jejeje to avoid problem. Because children these days now only mama and papa then go fit take care of children. Not pay no follow you take care of children when you not born. Not pay no fit help you train children when they not born. You people, you don't person born say you they hard somehow. Don't say when you not born because they give another problem. It hard. Mona so we rely, mona love una wife. Mona love una children. Even though say the una wife they do what una not like. Because of the children, they pardon the woman. If the children grow, they go see who they wrong and more tough. They love una wife. More love. Even those what the woman do now, but more because of the children, because the future children, leave the woman. Because of the children, forgive am. Because now children, I make everybody they do all those things when they do so. Now make most women they would they marry because of children, most of men they marry. Because of that is make you marry. So just stay because of the life of the children. You not go to put the children life at risk. Because children don't know anything about what they happen. If they grow up, they go come see say that their mama they wrong or that their papa they wrong. I beg. To avoid all this kind of thing, to put children for suffer, especially that Nigeria be so. When we say nobody to help, no children, oh God. Anyway, may this man so rest in peace. I pray may God still give the woman and strength to still stay for that prison when he won't stay so. May he stay come out, may he come meet the children. And I still pray to God, anybody when won't handle these children, may the person get good heart to take train that children and the way the mama won't take train. Although say no go visit, but God will give the woman the strength when won't help the woman take care of these children. What I get to come talk. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, support me please, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.